Welcome back to Geek Panda Tech, and today we will be reviewing the Elephas LED Projector. So if we have a look around the box first, we see the projector on the front there. Nothing on the side there. Let's have a quick look at the back. So we have a look at the specifications there. So the resolution it supports, 800 by 480. Highest resolution, 1080p of course. It's an LED light. The LED light lifetime is 50,000 hours. Lens, manual projection distance, so 1.5 meters to 4 meters, ratio and aspect ratio. It also has an internal speaker which is 3 watts. Color, so 16.7 million colors. Obviously some power information there. Audio output, we can have a normal earphone socket jack into that. System support, it supports 23 languages, unit size, and then if we have a quick look down at the bottom there, we can also have a look at the playing format it supports. So audio files, MP3s, WMAs. I'm not going to read all that out, but we'll be able to just leave it there for a second and you can pause the video and just check if it supports what you need it to. So full format support on the video files. I'm assuming it supports every kind of video file that you can throw at it. Anyway, let's pop the box open. Let's have a quick look. So we'll just put it this way. Pop that little tab open at the back there. Now, as you can see, that it actually comes in its own little carry case. So we'll get that out and then just get rid of the box. So yeah, it's a nice little carry case there. Quite a nice design. A nice two-tone grey with black detail. Those zips around. And yeah, so it's already nicely packed up on all this case. That is a HDMI lead there, and a power cable. Just a new normal two-prong power cable there. And the projector itself. It's actually rather small. Those are the ports it supports on the back there. So you've got your power, USB, VGA, HDMI, AV and headphones, and that looks to be some kind of light or sensor. I can't quite tell. Then we've got your power button there, back, okay, forward, back, and then input as well. And then the front, you've got a nice cover over the lens. So just pop that off, and there's the lens there. And that goes in and out. You've got a little switch at the bottom here, which you can push the lens in and out, obviously to focus. You've also got a screw there to put this onto a stand if you've got one. I think that's it for the actual projector itself. We've just got a little manual for it that covers, obviously, user guide, remote control. Didn't see a remote control in there. Oh yes, there is. There is a remote control, sorry. Looks a little bit similar to the Amazon kind of remote control. Is there batteries already in there? No batteries in there. That takes AAA batteries. Pretty basic, but you don't need it to do much more. Oh, and there was another cable. So that's your AV cable to your auxiliary displays there. So you get back to the manual. Gives you all your information in there. Now I will be trying this out hopefully. I don't have a white backing board for it yet, but oh, there is a TF card slot somewhere as well. Nice. I don't have a white backing board for it, but I do have a nice plain white wall which we should be able to try on a little bit just to see the quality. And then just this little warranty card there, and it specifies that they give you 3 years warranty, which is quite good for a like Chinese product. So yeah, thank you and have a great day.